Alright, I'm back with more free AI video and image generators that will shock you. I mean, just take a look at these videos and images. Now look at the quality, the sharp edges and the details. They look so good, it's almost like the AI skipped its nap. But that's not all. I've also found a website where you can monetize your AI content and make a lot of money from it. And no, that's not a joke. The link will be in the description. Without any further ado, let's dive right in. Pixverse. So we've all heard of Pixverse, or at least you've probably come across it once or twice while scrolling. And yeah, right now we're inside the website. This is what the interface should look like when you first land on it. Now go ahead and click on login. But since we don't have an account yet, we're going to sign up instead. Alright, quick sign up process done. And now we're officially in. And this is where things start getting interesting. We can finally start creating. So for the first prompt, go ahead and paste it into the prompt box. Make sure it's clear. Make sure it's something you actually want to see come to life. And once that's done, click on generate. Now we wait a little bit. This is always that moment where you're like, okay, let's see what it does. And boom, the video is ready. And honestly, it looks good, like really good. So go ahead and download it. Don't overthink it, just save it and move on to the next one. Now let's take things a step further. We're gonna test something else on this platform. Image realism. So now we switch over to image generation. And this is where things get even more interesting. First image, ready. And wow, just wow. That actually looks really clean. Go ahead and download it. Now on to the second image. Generate it. Wait a bit. And yeah, this one also looks really great. Like seriously, the detail is impressive. Now the third image. And boom, wow. The third image is ready, and it looks really nice. At this point you can kind of tell, this tool is not playing around. So yeah, go ahead and download that one too. Now we're not done yet. We're going to generate one final video before moving on to the next step. So same process again. Paste your prompt, click generate, and just let it run. Alright, a few moments later, the video is ready. And wow, honestly, this Pixverse experience is really goated. Like no cap, the quality, the speed, the results, everything just comes together really well. And just like that, from login, to images, to videos, we've basically seen what this platform can do. And yeah, now, time for the second prompt. Same process again, paste it in, click generate, and let the AI do its thing. And wow, this one also came out really great. Like you can already see the consistency here. The quality is staying strong. Creative AI is one of those tools built for people who just want to create without overthinking the process. Instead of dealing with complicated design software or spending hours trying to get everything to look perfect, it focuses on turning simple ideas into usable creative content quickly. You bring the concept, and the system helps shape it into something visual, clean, and ready to use. What makes Creative AI stand out is its focus on simplicity. It's not trying to overwhelm you with too many controls or advanced settings. Instead, it keeps the workflow light so you can move faster from idea to output. That makes it especially useful for content creators, small businesses, and anyone who needs visuals but doesn't want to spend a lot of time learning design tools. Another strong point is how it supports different types of creative work. Whether it's social media posts, marketing visuals, or general design concepts, it can adapt to different styles without making the process feel complicated. You can experiment with ideas quickly, adjust what you don't like, and keep moving forward without breaking your flow. What really matters with tools like Creative AI is how much time they save. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you're working with a system that helps you build faster and iterate more easily. That means more output, more experimentation, and less frustration with technical steps. At its core, Creative AI is about lowering the barrier between imagination and execution. It doesn't try to replace creativity. It just makes it easier to express it in a finished form without unnecessary complexity. Digen AI. So now we're going to turn pictures into videos using one of the best free image-to-video AI tools out there, Digen AI. And honestly, this one is pretty powerful. It has 2 strong AI models, daily free credits, and even extra features like lip sync, text-to-video, and more. So yeah, we love free stuff again. Alright, let's jump right in. Once the results show up, click the link that looks like the official website. You know the one that just screams, "Hey, I'm the correct one." And boom, you should land on their homepage instantly. Now look to the top right corner of your screen and click on Create. your page will reload, and this is the interface you should see. Already looking interesting, right? Step 2. Upload your image. Now look at the left side of the page. You'll see an upload button. Go ahead and click it. Then choose any image you want to turn into a video. But make sure it's a good one, because we want our video to actually shine. Now move down to the prompt box. This is where the magic starts. Here you type what you want your video to look like. The motion, the style, the vibe, everything. And if you're stuck, or your brain just goes completely blank like mine on Mondays, no worries at all. Just click Prompt Enhance, and boom, it automatically improves your prompt for you. Very useful, very smart, and honestly, kind of impressive. Step 3. Add music. Optional. Now you'll see a music section. Here you can add background sound if you want. But this step is totally optional. So yeah, we're going to skip it just like that. No judgment. Step 4. Generate the video. Now it's time for the fun part. Go ahead and click Generate Video, and your video will start processing. Now while that's happening, let's set up our second test. Click Upload again. Choose another image. Go back to Prompt Enhance. Click it again for a polished prompt, and then hit Generate. Now we wait. Sit back, relax, maybe take a sip of water, because the AI is doing its thing. Results and downloads. Alright, a few moments later, the first video is ready, and wow, it looks amazing, smooth, realistic, and honestly, chef's kiss. Go ahead and download it. Now the second video finishes as well, and again, wow, this one might even be better. Like seriously, the quality is just on another level. Download that one too, because today we are collecting straight up masterpieces, and just like that, we move proudly to the next step of the tutorial. Biteable. Biteable AI is built around one main idea, making video creation simple enough that anyone can do it without needing editing experience. Instead of dealing with complex timelines, layers, and advanced editing tools, it focuses on a guided process where AI helps turn your idea into a finished video that actually looks clean and structured. You can start with a simple concept like a product promo, a social post, or an explainer video, and the platform helps shape it into a full sequence. The AI assists with writing, scene selection, and layout, so you're not starting from a blank screen every time. Another strong point is speed. Traditional video editing can take hours or even days depending on the project, but Biteable AI compresses that into a much faster workflow. You can go from idea to draft video in a short time, then refine it until it matches your style. That makes it especially useful for businesses, marketers, and creators who need consistent content without spending too much time on production. That also focuses heavily on clarity and communication. Instead of trying to be overly complex or cinematic, it aims to make videos that are easy to understand and visually clean. That's why it works well for ads, social media content, training videos, and simple storytelling where the message matters more than heavy editing effects. At its core, Biteable AI is about removing friction from video creation. It gives people a way to produce professional-looking content without needing technical skills or expensive tools, making it easier to turn ideas into something shareable and polished.
Let's do.
Freelenti AI is the kind of tool built for people who just want to get things done fast, without getting stuck in complicated setups or confusing workflows. It's designed to simplify creative and productivity tasks, so you can move from idea to output in a smooth, easy, no-stress way. Instead of dealing with heavy software or jumping through too many steps, it keeps everything light, clean, and very straightforward. Now what makes Freelenti AI really interesting is the flexibility. You're not locked into one single use case or one strict way of working. You can use it for different things depending on what you need at the moment. Whether that's generating content, organizing ideas, or quickly putting together something usable without overthinking it. It adapts to you, which honestly makes it feel way more practical for everyday use. Another big thing here is speed, because let's be real, a lot of traditional tools slow you down. Too many menus, too many settings, too much clicking around. Freelenti AI tries to remove that friction completely. So instead of focusing on how to use the tool, you focus on what you actually want to create. And that's a big difference. FanView. For monetization, we are going to use FanView, of course, because right now it is one of the only trusted platforms that allows AI content monetization. And let's be honest, you don't want to put in all that effort creating content just for it to sit there looking pretty with no money coming in. FanView is trusted by well-known celebrities, even people like Cardi B, so you already know it is the real deal. When big names are using a platform, that usually means it has been tested, tried, and it actually works. They have also handled a huge amount of money in creator payouts, which shows that people are not just signing up, they are actually earning. Another great thing about FanView is that they support AI content monetization across almost any niche. So whether you are creating AI videos, images, or something more creative, you can still find a way to make money from it. That flexibility is a big reason why I recommend it. And don't worry, getting started is simple. You can find the sign up link in the description below, just click it, create your account, and you are good to go.